Here's how to add apps to hidden folder. So go to your app library, and in your app library, here you will find the hidden album or folder. Now, to add any app in your hidden folder or hidden album, you have to lock the app. So let's hide this CapCut app. So I'm going to long pressing on the CapCut app, and here tapping on require Face ID. And here we can see two different options. One is require Face ID, so this will only lock the app. And to lock and hide the app, you have to tap on hide and require Face ID, and then you have to scan your Face ID. And here we can see hide app. This app will no longer be visible on your iPhone except in a few places such as settings, Face ID, or your passcode will be required to reveal, open, or use Siri with the app. So tap on hide app, and the app will be removed from your iPhone app screen. Now, to find all of your hidden apps, you have to go to your app library, and here tap on hidden app. After verifying your Face ID, here you will find all of your hidden apps. So that's how we can add apps to hidden folder. And to remove any app from hidden folder, long press the app, tap on don't require Face ID, and the app will be removed from hidden folder. Thanks for watching.